going to show you how to remove the background with free software. The software, Instagram's Edits. It's pretty simple. So just open the app. Now, when you begin, you want to start with the bottom right-hand corner and hit the plus sign. And we're going to insert the background first because this is going on the bottom video channel of the timeline. Hit add at the top right once you've made your selection. Now, we know that the clip we're going to add is 10 seconds long, so we need to extend the still frame to about 10 seconds. And now we go back to the beginning. We're going to off-click anywhere on the screen. And now you're going to look for the overlay button. As soon as you tap on a clip, it's going to put it in. And there's our clip. Use the 2-finger pinch and drag to zoom in or out and make the adjustments that you need. And then we'll adjust the background a little bit too. And I think that's about right. Cue the timeline up to the beginning, and we're going to add some text. Off-click away from the timeline, and at the bottom left, you're going to add text. Just click that bad boy, and in this case, we're going to just type in Harley lifts garage door and adjust the text positioning. So we're going to cue this up to about where he lifts the words. Easy enough. So while we're here, we're going to add a keyframe. We're going to scroll to where his hands stop and add another keyframe. Now we're going to pull the garage door up. Now scroll to where he reaches backwards. And right as he starts to pull down, add another keyframe. And go to where he pulls down and give it a frame or two and add another keyframe and pull it down. But wait, Tony, you said he'd be in front of the text. So he's not in front of the text because we need to do a couple of things here. So we're going to come back to the right, about the middle here. And we're going to make a split clip to the far left. Now we're going to tap on the middle video clip. That's Harley. And to the extreme far right, you're going to find cutout. This is the magic of the app. It found him. Hit track object. It's basically going to separate him from the background. Let's cue up the timeline to the beginning of the second text line, which is now our second garage door text, and pull it below Harley. And this is what it should look like.
Get ahead of the NAB crowds.
And so let's change the color because obviously it's a white background with white text. So we're going to delete the second text track and extend the original. So we're just going to go ahead and change the colors. So click on the text line, click up on the screen, and now hit the color bars. And you can adjust the colors however you'd like them. The problem is there's a downfall that you can't do hex colors or anything. You can't type it in. So you just kind of have to fidget with it. There is an eyedropper. So if there's a color in your background or on the video that you want to use, you can do that. So just to make this pop, we're going to use the outline and then hit done. And now you can see it's way easier to read. We need to come back in here and add a new split and pull the second text track below Harley.
Get ahead of the NAB crowds. Register to visit Lataku in the South Hall. See you in Vegas.
The beautiful thing about all of this, Instagram Edits is free. And I'd love to see how you use Instagram Edits in your projects. Happy Latakuing.